Welcome to a quick unboxing of the new TripMaster RNS GFX version 2 Pro. The new TripMaster has a 2.7-inch diagonal display with an amazing contrast. In the backside we find 4 cables, one for the power, one for the GPS repeater, for the wheel sensor and the thumb control. The version Pro has an internal GPS antenna and a receiver. In the box we find also the power connector and the wheel sensor with his magnet. From RNS I also received the double thumb control. This is the new version with 6 height feedback buttons and a metal plate to protect the roadbook remote control. This it was prepared with a F2R roadbook connector. That's all. Soon I will do a video review about the all features of this amazing instrument. Don't forget to follow me and please leave a like. See you!